how to cheat your lehenga into a sari. So pin your corner of your dupatta literally in the corner just here, as so, or you can sew it in, or if you've got the guns, use that. We're going to leave a little bit of the balla draping there, bring it round, as so, and then gather it with the pleats, meeting the borders. Again, making sure that this is straight. Once again, here, if you want, you can gun it or sew it, or what we're going to do is we're going to safety pin it. And the safety pins are by Jeet's Accessories, so thank you for those, Jeet. To finish it off, we have a gorgeous belt, which we are literally just going to bring it round. Once again, to finish it off, if you do want round the arm, safety pin or gun. Voila, and you're good to go. Yeah.
Perfect.